I have a problem. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Green Thumb Edition. Yes, I had to think about it. We do so much on this channel. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, I need your help. I have a problem. And the problem lies here, okay? There was once a time, and I'm gonna say it was probably about March time frame. This was all bare. Like, there was nothing under here but dirt and leaves. And I cleared all those things out as far as the leaves are concerned. And I then planted seeds. I planted seeds from different flowers, and some of them grew. Let me just show you what's here. So as you can see, like, there's some, pretty flowers here and there, some purple flowers and things here and there. It's some marigolds over there, but they really didn't blossom. And so it's all like green, so it doesn't look like the pretty marigolds that we are expected to see, right? Here's the dilemma. I'm getting everything ready in my backyard. Of course, being in Florida, there are no off breaks, so I'm getting everything ready. All my pallet furniture is being built and completed and things like that. And then I have this ugly debacle right here in my face, smack dab, that I can see from my house. I can also see from the deck. And it's like, oh my gosh, what should I do? Okay. And so I am polling all of you guys, because you guys and gals, because you both watch the channel, and I know that I can count on you because you've helped me before, time and time again, with other things that I've had dilemmas and problems and inquiries with, okay? And this is another one. What I'm gonna do in this video is clear this space out, just to show you how much space is actually there, because you really can't see because of all the nasty and ugly debris, weeds, and things that have grown over time in this space, which I'm gonna poke some sticks in there because I'm sure there's at least one or two snakes that I don't want to come up against. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clear this thing out. Make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. Hopefully there's nothing that'll jump out and bite, because I don't have time for that today, okay? I have football to watch tomorrow. But anyway, all that to say, I'm gonna clear it out. We'll look at it. Let me know if I should mulch it just as I will mulch around the garden area, or should I go ahead and plant some more plants over there? If so, what type of plants? Get your mind going as I do what I need to do in clearing this thing out, so that by the time you get to see how much space is actually there, you're able to then formulate and type in your agreed upon ideas that you have thought about during the time, okay? So let me go ahead and clear this out, do my part. You get to thinking, you get to subscribing, smashing that like button, and getting your comments in line, because I need your help. Clearly. It's terrible, but it won't be, okay? Here we go with the cleanup! Whoa! Wow, wow. Whoa, wow. I did not expect that to be so tedious, time consuming, and Look at that, like I am drenched. Like you might not could see it all, but your boy is drenched, soaking wet. But the payoff is real. Like look at that. I bet y'all didn't even know it was that much space. Let me show you. Let me just back up to give you more real estate. Now right there, I believe that's a papaya tree. So I'm gonna let it grow unless you suggest me to take it down. I'm fine with that as well. Either way. But I did find out in reading today, actually, that papayas are very good and beneficial for women as well as men. But the key fact that I saw on Instagram, shouts out to Instagram, whatever, that is good for yeast infections. Like the seed and the fruit itself is good for women to help annihilate the bacteria and things that causes yeast infections. So, hey, take it for what it is, take it for what it isn't. Information given. Okay, so anyway, this is the space that I have. Hopefully that you've been able to think of different ideas of what I can put in this here area. Again, there is the inside of my home. You can see kids table, Ricky sitting over there eating. This is the deck, just to give you like proximity of where everything is. This is the deck where I did the pressure washing before in the other video, but nonetheless, like this is the walk space. This is what I have. Now I'm gonna just go through with the rake to further clear it out. But ultimately, I'm waiting to hear what you have to say. Now look, there's 1 pile, 2 pile, 3 big old piles of debris, mess, weeds, old ugly trees. And like, I'm able to walk around. Like I haven't been able to do this in so long, probably since we bought the house. I haven't been able to do such a thing. But today is the day that I'm able to walk around. And it's funny because I don't know if you can see it, but there's so many like lizards running around and things like that. They're probably so happy that they can actually run through everything and see what's going on. Probably some ants and bugs and things are crawling around that they're eating. But nonetheless, this is where we ended up, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope I gave you enough time to think of what I should put in the area. Should I mulch it as I'm gonna do the garden area? If so, what color? Red, black, or brown? Also over here, or if I should plant some different plants and things over there. What should it be? What should it be? Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the comment section below. I thoroughly and highly appreciate you already, because I know y'all gonna come with some awesome suggestions, awesome ideas, some things that I might not even have suggested you suggest to me, because I didn't think of your suggestion. See how I did that? Nonetheless, this is what it looks like today, ladies and gentlemen, and because of you, change is on the way. So until next time, let me know. I'll see you on the next video. Peace. I love you all. Have a beautiful, blessed day, because you're great. You deserve greatness. So have a great day. Yeah. Peace.